Hi there, in this video I will show you how to set a static homepage and blog page in WordPress. This is a very important step when you are creating a blogging website because it controls what your visitors will see first when they open your website. So let's get started. So first of all, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, go to settings and click on reading. Now you will see an option that says your homepage displays. By default, it shows your latest blog posts, but we want to create a custom layout where the homepage and blog page are separate. So select a static page. When you select the static page option in WordPress, you will see two new options appear, home page and blog page. Now it's very important to understand when and how to use these two options. Let's say you are creating a portfolio, a business website or online store. In that case, you usually want to create a custom home page where you give a short overview of your services or business that the fast page visitors will see when they open your website. Along with that, you also create a separate blog page. This is where your blog post will published. Having a blog helps increase traffic to your website over time. But if you are only creating a blogging website, you don't need to select both options. In that case, just leave the home page option blank and selected home under blog page. Then we click save changes. So now whenever someone opens your website, they will directly land on your home page and that page will automatically shows your latest blog post. So this is how you can easily set up your home page and blog page in WordPress. I hope this explanation made everything clear for you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.